guys, it's Popsicle, and today I'm gonna be doing another adventure. So yeah, check this out. I have to be really quiet. I can't be as loud. Well, it seems to be loud in here, but like, actually right now I'm not that loud. Anyway, I'm gonna put effects on this. It's gonna be like a tryout video as I got this new thing. But I don't know if it'll work. Anyway, I got my Arctic Wolf, so check out that video. I'll show you in a minute. It's uploading. Arctic Wolf. Oh, you can't see this. I forgot my screen was on tiny. No. Oh. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm using the, well, to, whatever, yeah, you get it. If you're watching this video, check out all my other videos I've done today. I've done quite a few. I just need to pause it because I need to get my charger. Okay, so I'm now in the bunny's burrow, and I'm fetching the key so I can open the phantom door. I've done adventure videos loads. I do these videos when I'm bored. Okay, so now I need to find 2 more keys. So yep, I know where they are. Oh gosh. Okay. Now it's 1 more key when I put this key in. If you want to be in one of my videos, I'm letting quite a few people in my videos now. Okay, so now the last key. I don't think I'll actually have time to put effects on this. Sorry about that. Because either it's effects or I don't upload this for a few more days. Your choice. Anyway, I'm gonna upload it now. Well, after I finished. Oh, I got the key from there. Oopsie daisy. Okay, I'm putting the last key in. And let's see what we get. A flower necklace. Ooh, really? Wait. Is that underwater? Is it? Cause this is my online. Okay, that's weird. Let me see. it's not underwater. So why, it is underwater even. Why would my space be full? Oh, I thought it was gonna be good. Anyway, bye guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Comment! Sorry, I was just checking if that went through. It wasn't showing the sound, but anyway, I think it did. Bye.